they're finally here. The Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. I don't know which is in which box, but I can't wait to find out. I'm gonna dig in, open up the S9 Plus, get to setting up, and get to playing with it. All right, here we go. We've got two boxes. One of these is the Samsung Galaxy S9, and the other is the S9 Plus. Let's see which is which. So the first one is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And the second one, let's see which one this is. Well, power of deduction is telling me it's the S9, since that's the S9 Plus. Whew, here we go, guys. They are almost twinsies. Look, we have this. Simple packaging. It looks just like any other Samsung Galaxy S product box in the past 100 years. Nothing special about this. All right, here we got the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus loaded up. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the S9. And let's see how this is looking and how it basically compares to its counterpart. Let's go ahead and open this up. We know what is in there. Here's the phone. There's all the fun stuff inside of it. We're just taking a look at this thing. Oh my God. I'm so glad I opened this. Look at these colors. This beautiful blue. It's big. It's talking to me again, guys. I'm sorry. I gotta figure out how to make this thing to stop talking to me. This blue. Look at the size difference. This is what's important here, right? It's a little bit wider. A little bit, not much. A little bit wider. Where we're actually getting more screen is the height. You see that? This is where we're getting more of everything on the height. And look how reflective that is. We can actually see me in the back of the phone. We can see. It's gorgeous. Let's power this on. See what it looks like. I'm going to leave the wrappings on. No need to take it off. Fingerprint, heart rate. Also tap that to make it a selfie camera, little snapshot. Let's see how snappy this thing is loading up. Let's find out for ourselves what we're working with here. Talking to us. We're going to go ahead and fast forward through this setup really quick. All right, big deal about this phone. Swipe right or left. Oh, for the different modes. Super, start recording, multi-take auto. Hold your phone steady to start. Wow, okay. Super slow mode, AR emoji, hyper lapse. I don't even know what that means, but I got it. Auto selective focus. This is the big one, right? Does it do front-facing selective focus? Is my question. Selfie focus. Okay. So this is cool, a selfie focus feature. This is the exact front-facing camera on the S9. Oh my God, what is all of this stuff? Oh my God, we don't need this, guys. We just want to take a selfie photo. All right, let's take a look and see how this picture look at that. Oh my god, all these little options. So this did really good. Look at that. There I am. I'm super cute, as you can see, and it blurs everything out. It gives it that bokeh effect that we're all going crazy over these days. It gives it that great effect. Look at this. So this is a straight up selfie mode right here. So boom, selfie. Look at that. So that's the cool thing. That's not a really good selfie, guys. Much better selfie. This is a really good picture. Look at that. Really good. There's my glasses. Look at my nose. Look, I've got such great skin. It's genetic. I've got great skin. You see that? I've got great skin. The Greek gods. That's what I'm made of. I'm made of a Greek god. Beautiful camera, beautiful phone. This is just an unboxing. My first impressions, it might be fun. This is what I have to say about Samsung phones. They're fun. They're always fun. I have a good time with them. That's what I got to say. For the love of tech, namaste.